Hello everyone, I'm T. Deepak Saik from K Batch, bearing ID number Kara 2024-346. I'm standing here in blackgram crop. I'm growing this crop as a part of crop production technology course under the guidance of respected Dr. G. Nagendra sir. I'll take you through the complete production technology of this crop, including field management and disease management and the harvest. First, let us understand the botanical information of this crop. The scientific name of the crop is Vigna mungo with a chromosome number of 2n equals to 22. The nutrient content of this crop is around 25% protein and 61% carbohydrates, which makes it as an important pulse crop. And it has its origin in India itself, and it has its secondary center of origin, Central Asia. As you can see here, the morphology of the crop, it has fine hairy structures on its body, and the leaves are trifoliate in structure, and the stem is erect to semi-erect. The inflorescence of this crop is axillary raceme, and it has taproot system which contains rhizobium that fixes nitrogen in the soil. The first important step in crop production is land preparation, and for this crop we require fine, smooth and compact seed bed. And during the preparation time, first we plot the land with moundboard plow, and then followed by 2 harrowings. The ideal soil is well-drained loam or sandy loam soil with a pH range of 5.5 to 7.5. And coming to the seed rate required, the Kharif crop requires 15 to 18 kgs per hectare, whereas Rabi crops requires 18 to 20 kgs per hectare, with a spacing of 30 into 10 centimeters. That means 30 centimeters between the rows and 10 centimeters between the crop. And the seed treatment for these crop, the seed is treated with Thyram or Captan at 3 grams per kg of seed, or rhizobium culture, that is 20 grams per kg of seed, to enhance atmospheric nitrogen fixation. And the intercultivation is thinning and gap filling operations were done after 15 days after sowing. And coming to the nutrient management, this crop requires 12.5 is to 25 kgs of nitrogen and phosphorus, and that is completely supplied as a basal dose. And coming to water requirement, this crop requires almost 680 to 800 millimeters of water. And the critical stages of water requirements are flowering stage and pod development stage, and even the germination stage is also considered as an important stage of irrigation. And the next important thing in crop production is weed management, and for these crop, first 15 to 30 days are considered as the critical stage for weed management. And the weedicides recommended are fluchloralin and pendimethalin, which are pre-emergence weedicides that are meant to be applied at 3 days after sowing, and 1 hand weeding is suggested at 30 days after sowing. The major production constraints in blackgram production are, due to intermittent dry spells, the crop is prone to non-synchronous maturity. That leads to requirement of multiple pickings, and pre-harvest sprouting is also a major issue in crop production of blackgram. And coming to the major diseases that are observed in blackgram production are yellow mosaic virus, leaf crinkle and powdery mildew. And my plot especially is attacked by yellow mosaic virus, and as a management practices we need to use certain resistant varieties like LBG 635, and we need to rock the infected plants. And the crop generally starts to flower at around 30 to 35 days after sowing, and we can see pod formation at around 55 to 60 days, and the pods will come to maturity at around 85 to 90 days. And the major maturity indices observed are the pods will turn from green to yellow color first, and then to pitch black. And as I mentioned, due to non-synchronous maturity, we have to pick the harvest at least 2 to 3 times. And the expected yield potential of these crops is 600 to 700 kgs per hectare in rain-fed irrigation conditions, and for irrigated conditions 1000 to 1300 kgs per hectare is the expected yield.